Dear student, in the previous class we have started this chapter known as indices. Previously we have given the required laws of indices. Today you will get some short problems. The first one is that 27 by 125 to the power 2 by 3 into 9 by 25 to the power minus 3 by 2. So you have to follow the laws, which is that a by b to the power minus n equal to b by a to the power n. Here it is minus 9 by 25. Minus 9 equal to 3 square by 5 into 2 like this. So it is to the power minus 3. Now this minus 3 has been like this way, and it is minus 3 and plus 2. Minus 3 and plus 2, because it is both are same, so we have not changed like this way. And this formula, like a to the power m into a to the power n equal to the power a minus n. Here n equal to minus 3, so it is minus 3. So it is minus 1. Now this one has been like this way. A by b to the power minus n equal to b by a to the power n. So it is 5 by 3. This is answer. 5 by 3, this is answer. Yeah. Number 2, 16 by 18 to the power minus 3 by 4 into 49 by 9 to the power 3 by 2 divided by 343 by 216 to the power 2 by 3. At first we have changed into their respective roots. It is 16 equal to 2 to the power 4 and 81 is also 3 to the power 4. Now this 4 and this 4 cancels out. Again 49 equal to 7 square and 9 equal to 3 square, and this 2 and this 2 cancels out. Again 343 equal to 7 to the power 3 and 216 equal to 6 to the power 3. This 3 and this 3 cancels out. So it is now 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 and 7 by 3 to the power 3 and divided by 7 by 6 to the power 2. As such, it is 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. This one has been changed with this. It will be 3 by 2 to the power 3. It is minus, as because it is minus, it has been changed. Its numerator and denominator has been changed, and it is like this way. And this is 7 by 3 cube and divided by, it has been changed into, and it is 6 by 7 to the power 2. You must know that 6 square equal to 2 square into 3 square. So it is 2 square into 3 square. Now we have cancelled out like this way with the help of indices. 3 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3 and 7 to the power 3 and minus 7 to the power 2. This is 7 to the power 3 minus 2. And 3 to the power 3 plus 2 minus 3. 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2 and minus 3 to the power 3. It is like this, and 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2. It is like this way. And after cancellation we are getting 63 by 2, which is 31.5. Next one, simplify. It is given 8x cube divided by 125y cube to the power 2 by 3. This is 8x cube divided by 125y cube to the power 2 by 3. Now 8x cube equal to 2x whole cube and 125y cube equal to 5y whole cube. It is like this way. Both are cube, so it is cube. They will cancel each other, and it is 2x by 5y whole square, that is 4x square by 25y square. This is answer. Here it is answer. Dear students, you must put down your respective requirements and opinion in my comment box, which is awaited for. You must send all your problems to me. That's all today. Thank you.